Welcome back, YouTube friends. Today I'd like to show you the top 10 screensavers of 2014. Although most moderners today don't actually need a screensaver since they have the sleep mode and things like that, there's still some really cool screensavers out there that will make your computer just a little bit better. So the first screensaver I'd like to show you is made by some Japanese guys. It's called Uniqlo Screensaver, and all the links to all the videos are going to be in the description. So this one's kind of cool actually. It's really neat. I'm going to click the preview here, and here it goes. So it comes up like this, and it just goes on its own. And it just starts showing a bunch of crazy videos on different days and stuff. It's really a neat screensaver. This is a screensaver number 1. Now the second screensaver I'd like to show you is one called Boink. Now Boink is a program that lets you donate your computer's idle time to science projects like SETI at Home or climateprediction.net. I'm going to donate my computer's time to SETI at Home. One way to detect aliens is to use radio telescopes to listen to narrow bandwidth radio signals from space. Such signals are not known to occur naturally, so a detection would provide evidence of extraterrestrial technology. So this program actually connects with 1,000 different computers together and uses your computer's power to analyze these channels and maybe eventually find some extraterrestrial signal out there. Now I'm using Boink for SETI at Home, but Boink can also be used for many different types of projects. There's many different projects. Here is the list right here. There's all these projects here that you can put your computer's power towards. And if you want, you could put your computer's power towards climate prediction models that will be run from your computer, and you will help to predict the climate in the future. Alright, on to screensaver number 3. For number 3, I nominate Electric Sheep. This is what Electric Sheep looks like. It's a really cool program. Electric Sheep is a collaborative abstract artwork founded by Scott Draves. It's run by thousands of people all over the world, and it can be installed on any ordinary PC, Mac, Android, or iPad. When these computers sleep, the Electric Sheep comes on, and the computers communicate with each other by the internet to share the work of creating morphing abstract animation known as sheeps. Anyone watching one of these computers may vote up their favorite animation using the keyboard. The most popular sheep live longer and reproduce according to generic algorithm with mutations and crossover. Hence, the flock evolves to please its global audience. You can also design your own sheep and submit them to the pool, and other people will vote on these sheep, and hopefully your sheep will be one of the most voted ones and will stay on for the longest. Alright, on to screensaver number 4. For screensaver number 4 today, I chose the eye. The eye is really cool, and this screensaver will bring you wonderful animation with eyes showing new worlds full of colors. You'll be able to admire one of the 3 integrated scenes every time your PC gets into idle and the eye screensaver is launched. I'll go ahead and launch this eye. This also comes with audio. There's a little bit of audio that comes with this eye, so you might want to turn the volume down. And that's what the eye looks like. It's a pretty neat screensaver, and it changes, and you'll see your worlds kind of glow and stuff. And if you were a mushroom and you were to stare at this for a while, you'd be tripping down. Alright, so on to screensaver number 5. For screensaver number 5, I picked 3D zombies. Zombies are pretty cool these days, and they're a big thing, and everybody's kind of liking them. So these zombies, they go around, they kill each other, and it goes all 3D and stuff, and your screen like flips, and it looks really cool. I can't actually show you the preview because it doesn't actually go to it, so you can see on this little screen here how it kind of looks. But these zombies are really cool, and I'd love to show them to you, but yeah. The only problem with these zombies is sometimes it gets a little gory, a little bit of blood splatters here and there, but except for that, they're really neat. Alright, on to our next one, which is number 6. For number 6, I chose Brief Creatures Screensavers. Brief Creature is a screensaver that simulates the evolution of virtual creatures in a physically stimulated 3D world. Beginning initially with random creatures, the screensaver uses a generic algorithm to develop creatures capable of realistic locomotion behaviors. Brief Creatures was built with a free Brief Creatures simulator environment and is included as a demo in the download. So once you download this, you'll see that it kind of starts, it doesn't do much at first, but because the screensaver uses like an algorithm that it learns, it takes a long time, hours or even days, before effective locomotion behavior can be observed. But each time it is run, the screensaver will save its progress and continue from where it left off. In Brief Creatures 2.75, it expands creatures' genome for the evolution of new structures and for the evolution of even more efficient locomotion strategy. So this will take a little while before you actually see some cool creatures that are able to actually really move as it learns. And on to the next one, screensaver number 7. What I got for you for screensaver number 7 is the HAL Project 9000. It's a graphic recreation of the computer from the film 2001, A Space Odyssey. As the project enters its 5th year, they're really pleased to showing a brand new screensaver, and this stage 3 screensaver brings dramatic changes, and it looks really cool. It kind of looks like you have a really nerdy computer, and it does a bunch of fancy stuff, and you look like a scientist almost, so people will think you're a real nerd when they see this one. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up, and it always starts like this, and then it goes into a really neat mode. And this screensaver actually works really good if you got dual monitors. It displays really good on dual monitors with 2 different images on both monitors and different things going on at the same time. So it's a really neat screensaver. I would really vouch for this one for you guys to go and check it out. Alright, on to number 8 now. So let's say you're getting bored of SETI a little bit, and you're kind of getting bored of searching for extraterrestrial life out there. This screensaver is probably as close as you'll ever get to real-life space travel. Starting from Earth, you will journey around the planets and finally ending up at Saturn. And it just kind of keeps going around and around, and it's kind of a neat screensaver. So I'll go ahead and start this one up for you and show you what it looks like. And yeah, you just start from Earth and you go for a nice, big, long space cruise. So this is called space travel. And this would be our screensaver number 8. Alright, nearing the end, guys. On to number 9. For number 9, I chose 3D Waterfall Screensaver from Astro Gemini Software. So it's a really simple screensaver, nothing much to talk about. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the preview right away. So this is what it looks like. It takes a second to load. So it's just got to load for a second. And then the waterfall looks pretty neat. It's 3D and stuff. And it actually has volume too as well. So it's got a little bit of birds singing, and it's kind of relaxing if this is what you like. So this is number 9. Alright, on to the last but not least screensaver. Top number 10. I chose Breblow. Breblow is kind of like a Tetris / Lego building block screensaver. So all it does is just keeps building onto each other, and it builds and it builds and it builds. So this is what it looks like, and it just builds monster towers, and it just keeps going. So it's kind of neat. And that would be the top screensaver number 10 that I chose today for the list. Enjoy, guys.